All right, guys, check it out. So, one guy that I race, I really like his truck. It's a Boosted F150, the Undertaker. You know, I had an opportunity to race with the Undertaker at a Mod2Fame event, and you know, the Demon leaves really fast from a dig, so I told him it's probably best if we roll race. That way, you know, I can't take advantage of him from a dig because he's in that Ford pickup and it's a really heavy pickup. So I gave him the opportunity to line up with me to race me from a dig. And I tell you what, the Undertaker was doing his thing. He was beating people left and right. People were really upset and embarrassed. So I was so glad I had a chance to line up against him. And hopefully I'll see him soon back out on the track. I really love this guy. I like his channel. I love what he's doing. Anyway, guys, let's see how this goes. You know what I'm doing. Snatch your souls. Peace.
Yeah, one time, yeah. You know I gotta go in on this one. You know how I do it though. You already know. I've been feeling like I'm ready for the top. Got the pedal to the metal. I've been grinding non-stop, killing every instrumental, and I knew just what I wanted. Now I gotta go and get it, and I'm never looking back. Only looking where I'm headed, and I doubted for a minute, trying to get another win. I burned a lot of bridges, but I know that I can swim. I don't need nobody else. People trying to take my credit, I can do it by myself, cause I got it all embedded in my mind. I'm a psycho, trying to get it right though, trying to save my time. I've been feeling like I'm Geico, balling in my prime. I've been feeling like a Michael, trying to get another comma, but it ain't a typo. Know that it's coming, I gotta keep running. I'm feeling the loving, I keep it 100. I get it how I want it. I've been at it 5 years, never getting cold feet. When my second album drop, it's going platinum in a week. Yeah, you probably think I'm crazy, but I gotta dream big, and I gotta keep on going till I got my dream crib, and I gotta keep on going till I got my dream whip, and I gotta keep on going till my parents they can quit. Got a lot up on my chest, man, it's getting hard to breathe. Gotta take what I can get, got me feeling like a thief, and I'm only living once, so now I can never settle. Gotta be one of the best, got me feeling like my...
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.
Feeling like I'm ready for the top. Got the pedal to the metal. I've been grinding non-stop, killing every instrumental, and I knew just what I wanted. Now I gotta go and get it, and I'm never looking back.